Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to delete Ubisoft account. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Ubisoft account. So to delete a Ubisoft account, open up any browser. You can either use Opera or Microsoft Edge, but for me, I'm going to use Google Chrome. So let's open up our Ubisoft. Just type in Ubisoft right here. After typing that in, click right here, Ubisoft. Welcome to the official website. Click on that. Once you're here, if you are logged in, you'll see here, I'm already logged in. There you go, Kurt 915. Two, if you're not logged in, first thing you need to do is log in. Now once you're logged in, click on the top right here, the profile icon. So and a little tip for you guys, you can also do this in your Ubisoft app. If you have one, Ubisoft Connect, as you can see there, Ubisoft Connect. You can also do this at your Ubisoft Connect. But today we're gonna do it in our browser. So to do it, click on account management. After clicking on account management, you'll be directed right here to your account management. Once you're here, click on account information. There you go. After clicking on account information, scroll down and you will see close your Ubisoft account. So once you're here, to close your Ubisoft account, just click on close right here, the red button here. Then you can read all of this. As you can see, there you go. Access to your games, your game progression. Closing that, you will lose it. So I've agreed. Then click on close my account. After clicking on close my account, click on log out. As you can see right here, you've successfully started close your account. You can still reactivate your account within the next 30 days. You will now be logged out so we can finalize your progress. And then click log out. Then just wait for it. And then there you go. You are logged out to your Ubisoft account and you have deleted your account. And another way to delete your Ubisoft account is by going to Ubisoft Connect or your app on your PC. And after here, click right here, the arrow right here, as you can see there. Should be an arrow right here next to your name. Click on that, then click on account management. After clicking on account management, you will be located here at your account info. We have security, and we also have the privacy and communication and all of those stuff. So to delete it, just go right here, click on the account.ubisoft.com/account information. After clicking on that, just wait. Then there you go. Just accept the cookies. Accepting the cookies, it will ask you to log in. Then put in password. There you go. Never. Update your Ubisoft account. Ask me later. There you go. You see, we're now here. Let's go delete our account. So to delete our account, just go down here. You see right here, we have the close your account. Will remain access to Ubisoft games and online service and will be cancelled current Ubisoft store orders. You will then have 30 days to reactivate your account before it permanently close. So just click on close. But before doing that, check the security first. If you have anything attached to it or if you have anything you want to add to it, and also the privacy center right here. There you go. We're gonna delete it now. Then click on close. After clicking on close, you first need to verify your email address in order to close your Ubisoft account. So let's verify your email address. Check our inbox. I'm gonna check our inbox. I'm gonna check my inbox. There you go. As you can see right here, we have now verified our email. Let's close that. I'll click on got it. Then let's try it again. Wait, let's refresh it. We'll be deleting our account. Now let's delete, close. And this will pop up. And click on the check right here, then close my account. After doing that, click on log out. And there you go. So to reactivate your account, just put in the email that you use and also put in the password to reactivate your account. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, just type it down in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.